In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time estimates in ClickUp. If you're ready to optimize your productivity and gain better control over your workflow, then stay tuned because we'll walk through each step of the process clearly and effectively. First off, we need to make sure the time estimates feature is enabled in your workspace, which is crucial to start utilizing this nifty tool. If you're a workspace owner or an admin, you'll want to head over to the Apps and Integrations section found in the menu. From there, go to the All ClickApps section, where you'll see a range of features you can toggle on or off. What we're looking for is the Time Estimates option. Once you locate that, simply switch it to the On position. This will activate the feature across your workspace. For those who prefer a more customized experience, there's also an option to enable this feature on specific spaces only. This way, you can tailor it to the specific projects or teams that will benefit most. Additionally, you can customize how the display for hours per day looks, which can help in making the view more intuitive for you and your team. Once the Time Estimates ClickUp feature is successfully enabled, it's now time to set a time estimate for your tasks. Let's dive into how to do that. Start by opening any task where you wish to set an estimate. It's quite straightforward. Just find the time estimate field, which is represented by a small hourglass icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to input your time estimate. ClickUp makes this step effortless by supporting natural language input. This means you can type in your time estimates casually. Enter something like 1H, 30 mins, or maybe 2 hours 30 mins, whatever represents the amount of time you believe will be required. Once you've entered the desired time, a simple press of the Enter key will save your input. If ever you need to adjust this estimate, maybe the task turns out to be more complex or simpler than expected, don't worry. You can edit it anytime by simply clicking the value again and entering a new one. This feature ensures your forecasts are as flexible as your project's demands. By incorporating these time estimates into your workflow, not only do you enhance your own productivity, but you also give your team clarity on the expected timeframes for each task. Estimates help in avoiding overcommitting and allow for a more realistic approach to project management. So, give it a try and see for yourself how this can improve your efficiency in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and happy